Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Just wanted to check in for the week and see how everybody's doing. I know you guys are finishing up the week on attraction and love and thinking about those sorts of things. And you have the attraction and love in the virtual world assignment, which you do on your own and you answer the questions and then you upload them. So make sure you get both of those things in to me today because they're both due today. Let me double check that since we're all sitting here. And then after that, we're going to move into relationships and communication. And one of the things to say about that is that relationships are work, right? So I'm not sure how many of you are in relationships, have been in relationships, understand that relationships do take a lot of work. And part of that work involves being honest and open with each other. So there's a lot of different ways in which that works for different couples or not couples, depending on the type of relationship you're in. But the communication piece, I think, is one of the things that is thematic throughout this whole class in terms of like how things go, right? Being honest and open about your feelings when it comes to sex is probably one of the hardest things that we do as human beings, but it's also one of the most important. And so as you're thinking about relationships and communication and talking about what you really want, understand that it's pretty normal for people to feel like that's a hard thing to do. But it is a thing to do in order to get to a place where you're able to ask for what you want and tell people how you're feeling. So hopefully, as we have these discussions as a class and we're thinking about, like academically successful relationships involve good communication and blah, 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 hopefully all of that applies to your own relationships as well. So, all right. I hope you have a good week. I hope you thought about what attraction looked like. I hope you had an interesting time with that. I hope your exploration was good. And moving into this next segment, I hope that it's good as well. So happy posting. Have a great day. And I look forward to seeing your posts and your assignment. Take care.